Today we are going to discuss about the special type of inflorescence. Last time we discussed about the racemose type of inflorescence and cymose type of inflorescence. The special type of inflorescence, they cannot be included in racemose or cymose type of inflorescence. They are considered as a special type of inflorescence. There are three types of inflorescence. Special type of inflorescence we are going to study about: verticillaster, cyathium and hypanthodium type of inflorescence. We will discuss one by one. Firstly, about the verticillaster type of inflorescence. It is the characteristic of family Lamiaceae. Example is Ocimum. Marathi name is Tulas. It is a characteristic of family Lamiaceae, and example is Ocimum. So this inflorescence shows both the patterns, racemose as well as cymose pattern. The growth of main axis is racemose pattern. That means it is continuously growing. It is indefinite growth. Growth of main axis shows racemose pattern, while the growth of these lateral branches shows cymose pattern. And therefore, the verticillaster type of inflorescence is considered as a mixture of racemose and cymose type of inflorescence. So this is about the verticillaster type. You remember Lamiaceae family example, and you also draw this diagram. Then about the cyathium type of inflorescence, it is the characteristic of family Euphorbiaceae. Example is Euphorbia, that Lalpati I have shown you, that Euphorbia pancherima, and it is a special type of cymose inflorescence. So here the pattern is a cymose. The growth of main axis is topped, cymose pattern. Here, very important character, that the main axis forms a cup-like structure. This cup-like structure, the main axis forms a cup-like structure which is known as involucre, and inside that cup many flowers are present. Inside the cup, a single female flower is surrounded by many male flowers. Single female flower are surrounded by many male flowers. So single stamen is considered as male flower, and single gynosium considered as a female flower. Why? Because there is an articulation present on this. So this is the main axis and this is the flower. This is the main axis and this is the female flower. So there are presence of articulations or joints, and therefore the stamen is considered as a male flower and the gynosium is considered as a female flower. These male and female flowers without perianth, without calyx, without petals. Only stamen considered as a male flower. So this is cyathium type of inflorescence. Here you remember the family name Euphorbiaceae, example Euphorbia, and you have to write a sentence about the articulations present on the stamens as well as on the gynosium. Cyathium. And last is a hypanthodium type of inflorescence. It is a characteristic of family Moraceae. Example is a ficus. Ficus, that is our umber, anjir, word, pimple. All these are members of family Moraceae. Here, this axis is forming a spherical structure. Spherical, here cup-like structure in cyathium. In hypanthodium it forms a spherical structure. It is known as the receptacle, and this receptacle have an opening at the top. This opening it is known as a ostiole. Inside this hollow spherical structure, there are many flowers are formed. Here also the flowers are unisexual. Near to the ostiole, male flowers are present, and at the bottom there are female flowers are present. So here you remember the word in case of cyathium type of inflorescence, you have to remember the word involucre, and in hypanthodium, you have to remember the word the spherical hollow structure receptacle. That's all.